Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you care about keeping your vehicle running smoothly and avoiding costly repairs, this is a video you absolutely need to watch. Today, we're discussing one of the most common, and potentially damaging, mistakes vehicle owners make. One of the most overlooked yet critical maintenance tasks is timely engine oil replacement. Many individuals either ignore the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals, or make the mistake of simply topping off old oil instead of fully replacing it. Over time, engine oil degrades. It accumulates dirt and metal particles, loses viscosity, and becomes far less effective at lubricating and protecting your engine's internal components. Failing to replace your engine oil regularly can lead to sludge buildup, increased friction, overheating, and eventually, complete engine failure. What may seem like a minor oversight can quickly become a repair bill in the thousands. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the correct oil change interval and specifications. Many modern vehicles require full synthetic oil, and some allow longer intervals, but neglecting maintenance altogether is never acceptable. If you've made this mistake before, don't worry, what matters is taking corrective action now. Be proactive with your maintenance to ensure your vehicle's longevity and reliability. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below sharing your experience. Thank you for watching, and remember, proper care today prevents major repairs tomorrow.